how to import pictures and videos in CapCut Desktop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you import pictures and videos in CapCut Desktop or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the CapCut application on your desktop. Alright, so after you open the CapCut, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the create project option just at the top. So simply click on it. Alright, so after you tap on that, you will be able to see such interface. So now from here, to add or import the pictures and video, you'll have to just drag the video from your file manager to here. So you have to just drag the files or some pictures or video on this interface or field. So you have to just select that picture or video from the file manager, and after you select it, you'll have to just drag it from here to this field. So after you drag and drop these images or picture on it, you will be able to import or add that picture or video on the CapCut, and you can as usual drag it from here to start on your project. So simply you can as usual import this picture or videos on your CapCut. So this is the easiest and simplest method to import pictures and videos in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.